Yo, I'm Brendan, and I just got the Acorns card that we've got to unbox. This is for their brand new account, the GoHenry Debit Card. This is going to get me 3% on my checking and 5% on my savings account, and that's basically the highest interest rates that I have available to me right now. So I'm excited to open this up. And for a little card, this is a pretty substantial package. You know, phone for scale, pretty thick. It's from Acorns, it's to me. I'm stoked. Let's get this thing going. Mighty up your money. Hashtag right there. Put that up. And as expected, all black everything. Classy. I like it. And it's got the Dwayne Johnson signature on the back. Also classy. Okay, let's open this puppy up. Oh, it just stops. You pull it to a point and it stops. It says, "Congratulations, my friends. You've taken a mighty step for your future, and I've learned along life's windy roads that every step matters. Let's stay committed to this investment, and I do believe that this could be a catalyst to changing your life. Every hard-earned paycheck and every swipe of this card is your opportunity to mighty up your money." Feel like The Rock wouldn't say that. From Acorns, mighty oaks do grow. I did it, and so can you. Dwayne Johnson, hashtag mighty up your money. There it is. Activate your card and get your first 7 roundups matched. Let's do it. So let's see what tungsten feels like. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. That's pretty substantial. I like that. All black and white. But now for the fun part. Let's activate this thing. Oh, I forgot. My Acorns account is suspended for some reason. Oh, that is a bummer and is annoying. I'm guessing because I did like a double withdraw attempt that would have overdrafted my account. They got freaked out and suspended my account. Right now it's a couple days later. My account got unlocked. I had to verify my identity with Acorns. Everything should be good. Now let's activate this card. Just got a reminder email with The Rock himself in it. He's telling me to activate my card, so let's do it. Activate my card. Got the card right here. Face ID. Bada bing, bada boom. It says right there, let's activate your card. Next, verify the last 4 digits of my card number. Can't show you that. Okay, create a PIN. Also can't show you that. And that's it. Activated. As easy as that. Let's learn more about this card. Make investing a daily habit with real-time roundups. I'm not against that. Get your paycheck up to 2 days early. I mean, obviously not against that either. Invest towards your goals with a piece of every paycheck. It's almost the same thing, but okay. No overdraft or minimum fees. I like that. Plan for the unexpected with an emergency fund. Good. And your all-in-one financial wellness system. That's probably an exaggeration, but thanks, Acorns. Looks like we're all set up with the new card. Now all we need to do is go experiment with it and see if indeed our first 7 roundups are matched, because from what I understand, if I buy something, it rounds up the next amount. Acorns will match that amount. Might make me like $3, but got to try that out. And then the next thing after that will be to see if I'm one of the 7 $50,000 winners. Not having high hopes there, but there's a chance. Honestly, our odds of getting the $50,000 are probably better because it's hard to get this account whenever you're an existing user. So let's go try it out. Before we do that, it is indeed quite heavy and nice feeling. Also, in contrast to that, the GoHenry debit card is like the cheapest plasticky feeling card I've ever felt in my life. It's pretty bad. Then it's another video for another day, but I also just got this Capital One Venture card, which is going to get me 75,000 bonus miles. It doesn't say that it's tungsten, but it feels almost identical to this Visa Debit by Acorns, by the Mighty Oak card. If anything, the Mighty Oak card feels quite a bit heavier. As far as the rigidity goes and the premium feel, I think the Venture card may flex less, but the Visa Debit is weighty. If weight equals luxury, then they're doing something right there. All right, fast forward a couple days later, and I made my first purchase with the Acorns card. Went through the drive-thru here at Senor Taco, and now we can go ahead and check and see what that real-time roundup looks like, how it appears in the account, and to verify that my first 7 roundups were indeed doubled by Acorns. So the first thing we can see if we pull up my transactions, I got interest for the month of November. So that's pretty cool. It actually says on like the line item here, interest December, which doesn't really make sense to me because it was paid November 30th. So I would think that'd be interest paid for the month of November, but whatever, that's there. Then you can see my purchase at Senor Taco, $19.76. Burritos are not as cheap as they used to be. Then real-time roundup for Senor Taco is actually 48 cents instead of 24 cents. But that's because it's my multiplier. So I've got an X2 multiplier on there. I don't see anything from Acorns yet. Let's check the investing account and see if we can find it there. Now, if we go under recent activity in the invest account, we find, matched roundup. And it's only matching the original roundup amount. It's not matching my choice to opt into doubling them. But still, 24 cents, matched roundup. We're buying shares for this investment. It's happening. Cool. So how fast was that? It wasn't real time because I checked it like 30 minutes afterwards while I was eating the Senor Taco. 2 soft tacos, carne asada, pretty good. I was eating the carne asada tacos. I checked the app. It's not there yet. So it's not literally real time, but it's pretty quick. I think it's within 24 hours or so, something like that. The roundup process happens. The matching happens. It's all good. Now we know. All right, our endeavor and our 3-part battle to finally get this card and get this account opened is finally done. I'll check back in with you if and when I win the 50 grand. Until next time, I'll see you later. Secret comment word is caffeine because I had too much of it today. Sometimes it's useful. Sometimes it just makes you sweat when you're sitting and doing nothing. That's how it goes. All right, see you next time. Bye.